Hello and welcome to the 15th lesson of our WordPress Beginner to Advanced course, where our ultimate goal is to become job ready to start providing freelance services with WordPress and Elementor on Upwork, Fiverr, or whatever freelance marketplace you would love to work on. And so far we learned so many things about WordPress backend management. We learned how to install WordPress on a local server. We learned how to install themes on a WordPress website. We learned how to install demo contents on a WordPress website to make it look real, professional and beautiful. And so far we have got this website throughout our previous lessons. Just take a look how beautiful it is. And I also covered how to start customizing a WordPress website, WordPress theme by using the customize option available on the WordPress backend. And also I used Elementor page builder to make some adjustment on these parts to show you the step-by-step process. And now in this video I'm going to show you how easily you can create a beautiful professional looking website, web page for your clients. And even if you are a complete beginner, this video is for you, because if you have never ever used Elementor page builder before, still after watching this lesson you will be able to create web pages for yourself or for your client for sure by using Elementor page builder. So without making this intro a long one, let me take you to WordPress dashboard from here, and after that I have to create a new page to show you the process. So from pages, if I click on add new, I'll be able to create a new page. So let me give an title here like Elementor website or web page design, just an example. And after that, if I click on publish, let's click on publish, and if I show you the page, you are going to see the body part of the page is completely blank. Just take a look, we have got nothing in this body part of this page, but we have got by default some elements, the header section and the footer section automatically added to our web page from the theme itself. So as we are getting this beautiful header section, so I'm going to keep them. I'm going to keep this footer section as well. This is a minimal beautiful looking footer section. And now I'm going to show you how to create a similar website like this one, which we have got from the theme itself, to show you how Elementor builder works and how easy it is to use on creating new web pages for your client. So let me just cross this out, and after that from here, if I click on edit with Elementor button right here, it is going to take me to the Elementor editing panel, from where we'll be able to add contents on the body part. And if you just notice here, this is the look of our current web page. And then if you notice these elements, we have got this plus icon from where we'll be able to add columns. We'll be able to add sections of the web page. As you can see, 1 column, 2 column, 3 columns, 4 columns, and we have got few more structures available. And then from this folder icon, we'll be able to use some pre-built templates to create beautiful websites for our clients. But as I have mentioned, this course is going to be the best course available on YouTube or wherever you have watched a course or you have taken a course with paid by paying some money, but you are getting this course for free. But I'm going to make this the best one, and for this reason I'm not going to use any template as of now, because you need the base knowledge of Elementor first, and then you can use these templates easily. You can make them real great ones. So let me just cross this out as of now, and let me talk about the basic stuffs. So first of all, in the left side you are getting these Elementor panels, as you can see. And as you can see, these are elements. As you can see, inner section, heading, image, text editor, video, button, these are elements. I sometimes call them widgets as well. So by using these elements or the widgets, we'll have different types of stylized, different types of options added to our WordPress web page. And as you can see, we have got so many elements available here, and we are going to work on most of them throughout our future lessons. So now I'm going to talk about this element or this website, okay, so that I'll be able to demonstrate the things properly. Instead of the theoretical way, I love to show the works practically. All right, so now as you can see here on this section, the header section, we have got 2 columns. One column is containing this text with this button, and another column is containing this image with this floating text. So let's start creating this part first, and after that we are going to go with this section. So let me take you back here on our editing panel. I want to create, at the very beginning, I'd love to take one column, or we can simply cross this out and we can go with 2 columns. So let me click on this plus icon. We can go with 2 columns directly, so that we'll have these things and these things appearing automatically here, or actually directly here. And then if I just give you some explanation, this is a header, this is another header, this is a paragraph, this is a button. So we need 2 header in this left column and 1 paragraph and 1 button in the left column. So let me show you how we can get the widgets or the elements here. So as you can see here, I am seeing these 9 dots. If you click here, it is going to take you to the widgets page, from where we'll be able to simply drag. As an example, here we have to add a heading. So simply click here and drag this right here, and just take a look. We have got the heading widget added here. We need the heading widget again. So simply go back to this widgets and then drag the heading again. We have got the heading. Now we want to add the paragraph. So let's go back to this widgets and then let's click here on this text editor, drag it right here. We have got this paragraph. Now we need the button, and you already know how we are going to add the button. Simply go back to the widgets and after that take the button right here, right? So this is how easy it is to drag and drop and get your contents, get your structures done without writing a single line of code. Now I have to take this image widget for the right column. So if you just notice, we have got this right column. I want to click here, and after that I want to take this image widget right here, and just take a look. We have got this widget appearing here. Then we need, for these things, we need 1 icons. Okay, icon box actually. So let me take you back here, and if I take you to widgets, then if I type out here icon box, or let's say icon, you are going to get few options, as you can see, and we need icon box. So let's just click here and drag it right after the image widget, and just take a look how it is looking like. Please don't worry, this is not so close to our original design here, but it is going to be closer soon. So first of all, let me give some information regarding the editing way, how it works. So let's say I want to make some change on this image. As you can see, whenever I am hovering over on the elements, you are seeing this pen icon is appearing, this pen icon is being appeared, this pen icon is being appeared here, this pen icon. So that means these elements are editable with Elementor. Now let's say I want to make some changes on the image widget. So if I click on this image widget, it is going to show you this panel like edit image. Just take a look. We'll have content, style and advanced option, from where we are going to be able to make whatever change we want to make on this image, on this specific widget. Now let's say you want to make some change on this button. So if I simply click here, just take a look, edit button option is appeared, and it comes with content, style, advanced, and whatever change I want to make here, I'll be able to make. So now let's go with the header first. So let me click here, and after that we have got orthography here. So let me copy. So as I have clicked here, I am seeing this header edit heading panel appeared. Now from content, I'll be able to change the title. So if I paste orthography here, just take a look, I have got orthography added. Now if you just noticed, we have got some formattings appearing here. So now how I am going to work on this formatting? I'm going to use 2 tools to make my way of work easier. So the first tool is what font. This is a Chrome extension. You are going to find this extension on Mozilla Firefox as well. So how to get this tool? Simple. If you make a Google search what font extension and hit enter, you are going to find this link, Chrome google.com. I'm actually going to attach the link of this extension in the description field of this video, so that you'll be add this extension on your Chrome browser. You are going to find this extension on Mozilla Firefox as well, and this extension is going to help me get the font family, the font style, font weight, font size, line height, color information of any specific fonts, any specific section, or any specific like element. Now let me talk about another tool that I'm going to use to get color codes. The tool name is Pixie, P-I-X-I-E, and if I hit enter, this is the website. I'm going to attach the link of this website into the description field below. So simply download this tool as a portable application on your computer, and then if you click here, it is going to show you color code. So wherever I take my cursor, it is going to show the color code of these options right here, right? So now I'm going to show you how to use these tools step by step while you'll work with them. So first thing, as you can see, I am on Archorography heading, right? Now let's see what are the formatting it has and how we can make this heading similar to this one. So simply click on what font tool, and after that, if you hover over your cursor on any of these text, you are going to see the font family information automatically. But I want to get more information, simply click here and it is going to show me the font family is Questrial, the weight of the font is 400, and then the size of this font is 15 pixels, and the color of this font is this color, and then we have got this line height and some other information. So let me implement this information here on our website. So here, after clicking here, from content we just changed the text. Now it's time to change the style and the typography. So simply click on style from here. It is already selected to edit heading, then I'm on style. Then if you want to change the color of the text, simply change the color from here however you want, but I want to keep it as it is as of now, no problem, and we are going to learn about these things for sure. Then from typography, I'll be able to make change on the font family, font size, font weight, and we have got many other options which we should know and we are going to learn for sure. So first thing that I would love to do is I want to change the font family which is Questrial. So let me just hit here and then I'm going to type out Quest, and here we go, Questrial here, and the font size was 15 pixels. So let me go back again, and pixel is selected, px, and then I'm going to type out 15 and just take a look how it is looking like. And then we have got font weight, which is going to be 400 pixels. So if I take you back here, and from weight I can select the 400 from here, and just take a look how it is looking like, almost closer to this original website. And with this transformation or transform style, decoration, line height, letter spacing, we are going to learn about these things for sure. But now we are all fine to move with the things that we have done here. So let me just click here, click on update. Okay, one thing. So whatever change you make on your Elementor based web page, after making the change, you should click on this update button, right? So that the change will be saved. Now let me go back again here, and after that let me cross this out and let me click on exit what font. Let's talk about this heading. So if I copy this heading text, let me just cross this out as of now, copy this heading text, and after that if I take you back here and then if I click here, we are going to find again edit heading, but for this specific heading. Now I can simply change the text and paste the text that I have just copied. Now if I take you back here, if I click on what font, if I take the cursor here and if I click here, it is going to show me that again the font family is Questrial, font weight is 700, font size is 60 pixels. So let me make the adjustment first. So let me take you back here, go to style as we did, and then go to the typography, click here on this pen icon. From family we are going to type Questrial, and after that the font size is 60 pixels now, and the font weight was 700, and here we go, we have got the alignment almost there, and now it is going to get better for sure soon. So now let's talk about, let me cross this out, click on exit what font, and after that let me just copy this text from here, which is the paragraph, and then go back here. Let's click on this text editor widget. So let me click here and you are going to find edit text editor. Now let's select these things, paste the copied content, and here we go. Let's see how it is looking like. Now let's go for the font, for this button. So let me type out watch all videos right here on this font. So simple, click on this button, and after that you are going to find these options: content, style, and advanced. So here on text I have to type out watch all videos, and then if I click here on watch all videos, it is taking me to this page where I have got the complete course already. Now if I copy this link and if I paste it here, this link is going to work the way it working right here, right? So simply click on update. Now we are almost closer with this part. It's time to make some adjustment on this single column itself. So if I click on these icons, it is going to take me to this edit column option. If I click on this 6 dots, it is going to take us to this edit section. So I want to make changes on this column singly or particularly. So let me click on this column icon, and after that this column is been selected. Now you are going to see these options appearing here. From vertical alignment, I want to give it to middle alignment. If you want or if you need, you can give it to the bottom alignment. You can give the space between depending on your need. So I need middle alignment as of now. Now we are almost close to the look of this website, right? So now one thing that I would love to do, I would love to make the change on the background. So let me take you back here, and after that if I click here on this edit section, it is going to select the whole section. As you can see the line appearing here, okay, the whole section. Now I want to change the background color. So now if I take you back here, I'm going to use Pixie. So let me type out Pixie and hit or actually click here. So here is the tool. Now if I hover over here, it is going to show me the color code of this part. So let me hit Ctrl Alt copy on my keyboard. So the color code has been copied. So now let me take you back here. Let me take you to style, and after that from background you are seeing few options like classic, like gradient, video, and you have got slide shows. So I want to go with gradient. So if I click here, and then from color, if I click on this color and paste the color here, just take a look how it is looking like. So it should be hash, and here we go, we have got this color code FFF hash FFF, and we have got this white color here. And then for the second color, we need to make the change. We have to copy this color code from here. So I'm going to type out Ctrl Alt C, and as this Pixie is opened here, it is just helping me out to get the color code. So if I take you back here, and from second color, if I paste the color code right here, just take a look how it is looking like. Now we can simply change the angle of these things as you can see here. And I think this is too light. So what I want to do, I simply want to change this color a little more, so you will be able to see, or the changes are going to be visible so nicely to you what I'm going to make. All right, so here we go. Here is the way, and here is the design we have got so far. Now I want to add my image. So let me take you back. If I click here on image, we are going to see this image choosing option. So if I click here on choose image, you'll be able to upload images on your website from here. But as I have shown how the media library works, and I already have uploaded this image on my website, I'm going to use these images now. So let's click here, but if you need, you can simply upload them from here, right? So let me take you back here, and after that I'd love to click on insert media, and just take a look, I have got my image added in this part, or on the right column. Now let's work on this widget. This is the icon box. Now if I want to show you, we want to make this thing here, right? Founder and CEO, orthography, and then the icon. So let me take you back here. Let's click on this widget, and after that you are going to find these options. So first of all, let me change the icon. So I'm going to, how I did, simply I clicked here, and then I clicked on icon library from here, and after that we have got this icon, maybe check. So let me just type out check here. So here we go, this is the icon which the website template has. So let me click on insert, and just take a look, we have got the change on the icon widget. Now if I want to give the position of this icon, simple icon position should be in right, and just take a look, we have got the closer look here. Now I want to make the change on the texts, so let's go back. I have to click here, and then from title and description I have to change the title to founder and CEO, and after that I want to add this text as Ajharul or Ajharul Rafi. Okay, just take a look how it is looking like as of now, though it is not so close, but I'm going to make it closer. So let's go to style, and after that you are going to find few options. As you can see, for icons you are seeing these options. So the primary color, I would love to give the color to, let's say, this color, and just take a look, the color is changed. Now if I click here, I'll be able to add the spacings based on my need. I'll be able to increase or decrease the size. So now I want to keep the size just like this, and after that you can rotate these things as well, but we don't need to rotate as of now. And from content here, from alignment, as you can see, the alignment is left, it should be left, and or let me see what is the alignment here. Yeah, left alignment. So let me take you back here, and after that we have got the spacings. We can increase or decrease the spacing, so let's just keep it as it is. And then from typography, for title we can change the typography based on our need, but I want to make the change on the description itself. So as you can see, I have got it looking so small, but I want to make it similar to this one. So let me click here, and then from description I want the typography to a little bit of increased text here, and after that I want the font weight to 900. Yeah, and then I can simply change the color of this text to black, and just take a look how it is looking like. Now let's go to advanced, and after that we can simply go to positioning, and from positioning we can select the width of this content. So let me click on from white, if I select it to custom, and then I can simply increase or decrease the size of this element here, right? So let me keep it to 300. It is going to look nice. Okay, and after that we have to give some background here. So as you can see here, we have on advanced we have got background. If I click here, and from here we'll be able to change the color. So simply click on classic and simply click the choose the color. So click here, and then here is the color that I'd love to go with. And after that, if you just notice, we have got some padding stuffs appearing here. So let me just take you back here again. From advanced, again I have to click on this advanced option, and from this padding I would love to give, let's say, 15 pixels of padding. Now let's see how it is, or just take a look how it is looking like. Now if I take you back, we have got some border radius working here. So if I take you back here, and after that if I add, just take a look on border, if I click here, we are going to find this border radius. If I give like 10 pixels of border radius, or 15 will look good. Yeah, 15 pixels of border radius. If I click here, okay, you might not be able to see the rounded corners, but you are going to see it soon, so don't worry. So here we go, we have got this border radius done. Now we want to take this text into this part, as you can see. Now let me just take this one here. So to do this, we have to go back to positioning, and after that from position it is selected to default. We have to click here, click on absolute, and we'll be able to move this text as we want. This has just become as the floating text. So if I take it here or keep it here, just take a look how it is looking like. Now we need two version or two copies of this thing. So simply if we click on the right button of your mouse, if you click on duplicate, it is going to be duplicated, and now I can simply drag this right here, and just take a look how it is looking like. Now one thing that I'm seeing, this one is in the left align, so simply click here and then change the alignment of icon position to left, and it is going to be looking like this. Okay, and now if you just notice, we can make the changes as we want, but I'd love to keep this as it is to save the time. And if you change the image, just let me show you how it is actually going to look like. If I change this image, just take a look. We are so close. We are so close with the original website design, right? So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply, let me see, I'm going to make this column a little smaller, so it will look nice, I guess. Yeah, here we go, and here we go. Okay, now just take a look how it has just got the alignment. So now I want to remove some padding stuffs from here. If I click here and let's go to advanced, from margin and padding, and we have got things done so nicely, right? So now what I want to show you is I want to give some padding on this whole column. So if I click here on this section, actually not column, in this section, if I take you to advanced, then if I click here to unlink, and then from top if I add, let's say 100 padding, and on bottom I want 100 padding, and just take a look how our website is currently looking like. Now if you just notice, actually on top so on top I don't need 100, I can simply keep this as it is, and on bottom I need 100. Okay, so it is just showing the spacings in between these things, right, in these spacings. Now let me take you back. If you just notice, we have got a shape divider added here. So let me show you how we can add this shape divider. Pretty simple. If I take you back here, and if I select this whole section, and then from style we are going to find this option shape divider. If I click here, then you can select on top. If you want to give some divider on top, you can simply select top, or we can go with bottom. As I want to go with bottom, as I want to add this divider in bottom, I have selected bottom, and after that from type it is selected to none, so I have to click here. And after that, if I try out few of these things, you are going to see how beautifully they are making some changes on this on the bottom part, if you just notice here, right? So by this process you will be able to add beautiful effects on your WordPress website or WordPress web page. So we need this option tile, but one issue, just take a look, we have got from right left to right it is getting down, but we want from left to right it should be on top, so like this one. Okay, so now how we can solve this issue? Pretty simple. Simply click on this flip, yes, and just take a look, it is just looking great. And then bring to front, simply click on yes, and the problem of this cutoff is going to be solved itself. Now let me take you back, and I want to give them right like this, and just take a look, we have got the proper alignment already, and it is looking so closer to this website. Though we are seeing some mismatch here, but it's totally okay to keep them as there, and we are going to learn about these stuffs in our future lessons, how to make pixel perfect websites. So as of now it is totally fine to move with what we are learning. Okay, so now let's say you want to make this curve a little smaller. So if you take if I take you here, and then if I take you to this, let me click here again. Okay, and from style here we have got shape divider, and from bottom we can simply select the height, as you can see, as you want. So let me keep like this, and I think it is looking good. Yeah, so I think it is looking good, and we can actually simply increase a little more. Okay, just take a look how it is looking like. So we are done with this first section. Now let's go for the second section, where we have got two columns. One column is containing this image with this button, floating button, and then we have got this text. So let me show you how we can create this part. Simple. I am going to take another two column structure, and after that I need, if I click here, I'm going to get these image widgets. Let's drag it here. And after that we have got one button, so let me click here on this widgets panel, and then let's take button right here, and after that I can simply give it to center alignment. And after that we have got this part where we have to take one heading and then one paragraph. So let's take them. I'm going to take you here, one heading and then one paragraph, which is text editor here. Actually two paragraphs here. So let me click here and text editor. here I'm seeing 2 paragraphs. Okay, so now it's time to okay, it's time to make the adjustment. I want to give the from advanced, I want to give in this section from advanced, I want to give 100 pixels in top and 100 pixels in bottom like paddings, so that we'll have some spaces appearing here. Now let's choose this image. So if I click on this image, it is going to take me to this image editing panel. If I click on choose image, and let's select this image, let's click on insert media, and we have got this thing done. Now so now one thing that I have to do, I have to work on this button. So if you just notice, we have got live meeting in California, then we have got this icon added. So if I click here, we are going to get this button editing panel. Now I would love to type out like live meeting in California, and then I'm not going to add a link for now here. Instead, I'd love to show you how to add this icon. So as you can see at this bottom part, we are seeing this icon which is currently selected to none, but I have to click here on this icon library to get an icon, and I believe the name of this icon is play. So let me take you here, and then if I type out play, so here we go, we have got this play icon right here. So if I click here, let's click on insert, we have got this icon added. Now this is touching to the text, so we can simply, as you can see from icon spacing, we can simply increase the space between the text and the icon. So I think 15 is going to look nice here, right? So just take a look how beautifully we have got this icon as well. Now we are seeing that by default the color of this icon is a kind of light color. So let me just take you back here, and if I click here from style, I'll be able to make the change from normal. If I select the background color like this, just take a look, we have got this background color, right? And from hover, we can simply select the background color to this color which was before, right? Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to make it to first of all, let's click on update, and after that, after clicking here, I want to take you to advanced. From positioning, I'd love to give this to absolute position, and just take a look, it is now floating. If I drag it right here, we have got this button placed in the right place, right? So this is looking great, though the color is different, but let me keep the color as it is. I'm so happy that I'm being able to show you how it works, right? So now if I make the change here, copy and simply click here and make the change however you want. So I don't want to make the change on this text because you already know how I am going to copy and paste things and to make it look similar. So what I want to do again, I want to make the alignment of these things into center or the middle. So if I click here on these columns, then from columns, from vertical alignment, I want to give it to middle. So just take a look how it is looking like. Now if you just notice, the space between this image and this text are a little broader, so we can simply do this. Simply go back here, and after that select this widget or select this whole section, and after that from layout you'll find this option column gap. If you click here and then give it to like extended, then wider, it is going to work for you. Just take a look, we have got this some spaces happening here, and we have got more options, more ways to add these space things up on our website, and we're going to learn about this in our future lessons for sure. So now what I want to do is, it's looking closer, but we are seeing that these things have got so many spaces, or actually big spaces. I want to decrease the space. Simply click on this editing panel, go back to advanced, and we added here 100 instead of 100. Let's add 50, and it should look nice now, right? Now what I want to do, I simply want to work on this part. Let me show you the work of this part, and after that I'm going to conclude this video, make the conclusion. Okay, so let me take you back again, And after that I want to take, again here we have got two columns. In one column we have got header, we have got this accordion, and after that we have got this button. So and after that here we have got an image gallery. So let me take you back here again, and after that I want to add two columns, and then I need one heading, and there is accordion, there is column, so sorry, there is button. So let me take you to widgets, one heading, and then let me take you to widgets, one accordion, which I want to add here, and then we have got one button. So let me take you to the widgets, then drag this button right here. Okay, it's not working. Yeah, here we go, we have got the button now. So now what I want to do, I can simply copy these things and I can click here, simply paste them here, and after that I can simply make the change, simply copy these accordion headings, copy, and click here, and you are going to find these options to make the changes. As you can see, accordion, click here. From title, I want to change the title, and after that we have got, if I click, we are seeing this paragraph. So let me click here, and then we can simply change the paragraph, right? So simply I'm going to cross this out. I'm going to make three versions, three copies of this same accordion. Okay, and just take a look, we have got them. And I want to change simply the headings, copy, and click here on the second, and then paste. And I want to copy this one, this title, and click here and paste it here, and just take a look, we have got these accordion things working fine. Now ask a question should be the button text. So if I click here, and I'm going to type out here, ask a question, and I want to give my Facebook page URL here, Facebook group URL, which we have got for this support group. Okay, so from Facebook it is taking some time. I'm going to select the group for where you can join and make post, and you can ask me any question regarding WordPress and Elementor, which I am showing. So if I click on link, if I click on submit or update, let's just preview this page in a new tab. Just take a look how our website is currently looking like, right? And now if I click on ask a question button, it is going to take me to our Facebook page or group where we are supporting all of the students. Now what I want to do, I want to get this color code. So to get this color code, again I have got this Pixie opened, so let me keep this here, and after that I'm going to hover over here. Let me type Ctrl-Alt-Copy C to get the code. Let me take you back. After that I'm going to click on this edit section so that it will be select the whole section. From style, I'm going to change the color and paste the color code right here. Just take a look, and we can simply increase the color a little more. Okay, so just take a look how it is looking like. Now if you just notice, we have got some padding stuffs happening here. So simply I can click here again, go to advanced. From padding I can add some padding stuff. On top, let's say I want 100, and on bottom I want 100 pixels of padding. Now if I take you back here and just take a look how it is currently looking like here and how it is currently looking like here. We have got some spacing issues here, but I'm going to make them corrected soon. So first of all, let me take these things. As you can see, we have got this gallery. Simple, click here so that you will find this widgets option. Then I'm going to make a search like gallery, and yeah, gallery. As you can see, we have got 5 options. This one is premium. We won't be able to use this with the free version, but these things we can use. So I'm going to drag basic gallery right here, and it is going to show us these options from where I will be able to add images here. So let me upload few images, actually select few images, and let's say this one as an example. If I click on create new gallery, and if I click on insert gallery, just take a look, we have got these images added now here. So from image size, we'll be able to change the size to full, and after that from the columns, we want only 2 columns, and just take a look how it is looking like, right? So this is almost closer. If I click here again, I'll be able to give some column gaps from, let's say, wider, Just take a look how beautiful it is looking like as of now. Now I want to add these things here, right? So in top, or actually, yeah, so I want to give in this section, in the bottom, I want to give some like shape divider. So click here, and after that I want to take you to styles, and then from shape divider, from bottom I want tiled, and okay, it is not going to be visible because we have got some padding stuff here. So in this case, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do the tile thing here. So let me click on this edit column, and after that we are going to styles, and then from shape divider we want some tile from the top. So if I select top, and yeah, from top, if I select from none, we want tilt, and just take a look how it is looking like. And actually I have to decrease the size or decrease the height of this tile thing, tile shape divider here. So simple, I can simply work like this, and just take a look how closer we are. And then we can simply add this bottom shape divider as well. Simple, click here, and then if I take you to bottom, and then from here type, I can simply select tile, and just take a look how it is looking like. But we have to make it like in the right going. So to do this, we can simply click on flip, and just take a look how it is looking like, and then we can increase or decrease the height of this thing, and just take a look. Now if I click on update, and if I visit this page in a new tab by previewing, just take a look how far we are with this website design or web page design, right? So this is that easy to work on a web page by using Elementor page builder. And this, I'd love to keep this video this short because this has already been too long, and I want to make it a conclusion. And if you want me to keep going on showing you the complete website or complete web page build up for this page, please let me know by commenting below. And one thing I'd love to know from you, as I have walked you through this lesson, please let me know your honest opinion if you are being able to understand me properly, or you are getting some confusion. If you have got any specific question, please let me know by commenting below. And if you want to suggest me for any improvement, then please let me know as well by commenting below. And if you have found this video quite good and quite interesting and helpful, please give this video a like, share this complete course with your friends so that they will be able to learn as well. You can share this playlist on your Facebook, your Twitter, your Instagram, or whatever social media platform you are using. And please subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet, so that you will not miss any future uploads. And I hope to see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching this long one. Have a good day, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.